So tell me, what happens during a hearing test?
During a hearing test, the audiologist will evaluate all three parts of your ear: your outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. After a thorough health and hearing history, the audiologist will look in your ear canals for any excessive earwax or any disruption to the ear canal or eardrum. Your initial hearing thresholds are measured by using a trigger to indicate when you are hearing the beeps, soft or loud, in a number of frequencies. This will tell the audiologist at what point you stop hearing a certain frequency. After, tympanometry is performed to see how well the eardrum is moving. This helps tell the audiologist how the middle ear is functioning. If there is fluid in the middle ear space from sinus infection or allergies, or if the bones in the middle ear are not functioning properly, this would show up on this test. Speech testing also does two things. One, it helps verify the initial hearing thresholds, and two, it helps give the audiologist an idea of how the patient is processing sounds. Speech in noise testing is also performed to help the audiologist choose the appropriate hearing aid for the patient. Not all hearing aids are made the same, and the patient may need a hearing instrument that performs well when there's background noise present. After your evaluation is complete, the audiologist will go over your results with you and recommend the appropriate hearing health plan.